Welcome to How To Channel, where we merge the wisdom of science with self-development strategies to help you achieve your full potential. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and life-changing topics: how to invest money. It's not just about growing wealth, it's about empowering your future self. Like scientists who use data and proven theories to test hypotheses, successful investing requires knowledge, discipline, and a deep understanding of the world around you. So if you've ever wondered how to make your money work for you rather than the other way around, stick around. We're about to break down the science of smart investing into simple, actionable steps you can start using today. 1. Understanding money as energy. Money isn't just a piece of paper or numbers on a screen. In its essence, money is energy. It's potential energy, waiting to be transformed into something more. Just like in physics, where potential energy becomes kinetic energy to fuel motion, your money has the ability to fuel your life's motion. When you invest, you're releasing that energy to create more opportunities and growth. And just as scientists manage and harness energy in experiments, we must do the same with money. Think of every dollar as a unit of energy you can deploy to achieve financial freedom. 2. The mindset of an investor. Think like a scientist. Investing is a disciplined process, much like scientific research. Before you make any move, you need to gather information, assess the variables, and form a hypothesis. You wouldn't throw chemicals together in a lab without knowing the potential outcomes, right? So don't treat your investments any differently. Just as a scientist tests a hypothesis, you should test your financial decisions. You start with research. What are your goals? What's your timeline? How much risk can you tolerate? These are the key variables that shape your investment strategy. And remember, just as no scientist expects every experiment to be a success, not every investment will be a win. The key is to learn from each experience and adjust your approach. 3. Diversification, the power of portfolio. Theory diversification is like running multiple experiments simultaneously. In science, you test different approaches to find out which works best. With investments, you spread your risk across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even commodities. Why? Because not every asset will perform well at the same time, and just as a scientist wouldn't put all their resources into one experiment, you shouldn't put all your money into one stock or asset class. This is where the magic of portfolio theory comes into play. You reduce risk by diversifying. If one area of your investments performs poorly, another area might outperform. The overall goal is to create a balanced portfolio that mitigates risks while still aiming for growth. 4. Compound interest, the exponential growth formula. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It's a phenomenon as powerful as any scientific discovery. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small but grows rapidly over time as it accumulates more snow. Compound interest works similarly. Your money earns interest, then that interest earns more interest, and the cycle continues. This is where patience plays a key role. As you invest, even small amounts can grow significantly if given enough time. So start early, reinvest your earnings, and let the exponential growth formula work for you. 5. Risk management, the art of controlled experimentation. Risk is inevitable, but like a scientist, you must manage it carefully. Think of every investment decision as a controlled experiment. You can't eliminate all risk, but you can minimize it by making informed decisions and never investing more than you can afford to lose. In science, if an experiment fails, researchers analyze what went wrong and adjust their hypothesis. In investing, if a stock drops or a market dips, it's not the end. It's a chance to reassess and refine your strategy. Don't let fear control your actions. Use risk as a tool and learn from your mistakes, just like scientists refine their work after every failed test. 6th time in the market versus timing the market, the patience principle. Many people make the mistake of trying to time the market, believing they can predict when prices will go up or down. But here's the truth. Even the best scientists can't predict every outcome, and the same goes for investors. Successful investors, like disciplined researchers, understand that consistency and patience pay off more than trying to guess short-term market movements. The longer you stay invested, the more you benefit from the market's overall growth. It's not about perfection. it's about persistence. 7. Conclusion. Your investment in self-investing money is not just about building wealth, it's about building a better future for yourself and those around you. Like scientists, we must continuously learn, adapt, and refine our strategies. Each dollar invested is a step toward financial independence, freedom, and personal growth. You're not just investing in assets, you're investing in your ability to create a life filled with opportunities. Remember the principles that guide great scientists. Patience, discipline, experimentation, and learning are the same principles that will help you succeed as an investor. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.